Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm talking about how to fix camera not opening problem in your Redmi device. How you can open your camera. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your camera, long press and click on I button, and here you have to give all your permission in it. You can see click on the second button, permissions, and you have to allow your camera, location, microphone, music, video and photo and video. You have to allow this first, and then you have to click on storage and cache. First clear cache, then and clear the storage. Press back, click on notification, and if it is there then you have to enable this and press back. Friends, you can see now your camera will be working properly. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.